People and their toys here. Look at that. I feel so uncool. Idaho? Are we in Idaho? Yes, we're in Idaho. Idaho. What is it? St. Anthony? St. Anthony Sand Dune. It's very sand dunes. It's very beautiful out here. St. Anthony Sand Dunes. There we go. Let's go get some food, okay? We are airing down the tires so we can go off-roading. Oof. No. Up the hill we go. Oh! Okay. Everything is beeping. That's the hill that we were trying to climb up. Didn't get very far. Here we go. The 7,000 pounds van trying to go over soft sand. Will we make it? No. Okay. This is the end of the road. Stuck. So we're stuck. We might have to stay here for the night. Out in the middle of nowhere. Not sure if we're gonna get reception or not. Okay. I don't know how we're gonna get down. I think we might be sleeping here tonight. So the van is stuck. I'm gonna come up here to see if we can try to make it up this hill to turn around. Maybe not, I don't know. This poor van. Try to get out. The whole van is shaking. Okay, it was a bad idea to come to this side of the dune. Starlink to the rescue.
We're talking over Elon's satellites right now.
Great signal out here. So we got up there. We were stuck here. This was where we were stuck originally. And now we're stuck up there. Well, at least the view is really pretty. Sunset. Very nice.
Well, I hope I won't offend you, but Bridger went up to Island Park and I said, plan on pulling John out of the sand on your way back. And he said,
Okay. So we can have a mini photo shoot since we're waiting for rescue. Look how beautiful this is. The moon. We are stuck in the middle of nowhere. Oh, not really. We have the Starlink, so we're no longer stuck. We're waiting for rescue. Starlink, so worth it. So we're gonna stay here tonight because it's too dark and we don't want another person to get stuck pulling us out, and all the helicopters are busy. So we're gonna sleep here tonight. We have water and food for a few days, so we should be good, and the view is very beautiful. So our tractor is here. The cavalry has arrived. All the way over there. In the distance, you can see that red tractor. Oh, that's funny. Stowing. So we're not sure if this is gonna pull us up. Let's try.
I'm gonna push on here.
Stuck in that mill right there. Yes! Oh my goodness, we're free! We're free! This is where we got stuck yesterday. Couldn't go back. So we move about 5 feet. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, I think we're free now. Yay, freedom! Instead we're there, instead when we were stuck. Yeah, next time we're gonna bring up a side-by-side.